Hey Megan, have you heard of Colossian Creator?
No, what's that?
It's an AI-powered video creator that simplifies and expedites video creation. It has some great features and advantages like AI marketing videos, professional explainer videos with real presenters, and the ability to create videos in over 70 languages.
That sounds impressive. What else can it do?
Well, it also has an extensive range of features like the brand kit, collaboration, PPT and PDF to video, text to video, screen recording, and more.
That's a lot of features. Is it easy to use?
Yes, that's the best part. You don't need any advanced skills or training to create professional-grade videos. It's perfect for marketing professionals looking to increase engagement and sales with AI-generated videos, educators and trainers looking to create custom learning content libraries, and businesses aiming to enhance their messaging and reach a global audience with multilingual videos.
That's really helpful. How do I get started with Colossian Creator?
First, go to Colossian Studio and click Create Your Own AI Video. Then, it will navigate you to their web app here. You'll see a pop-up with a start guide on how to create a video using their video tutorial. If you want to watch it, click Start Guide. If not, just click the Close button.
Got it. What's next?
Now, you'll see their default template. But before you make any changes to the template, you need to create an account. Click Sign Up, use your email, and choose a password for your account.
Okay, then what?
Once you click Continue, the page will redirect you to the inbuilt default usable template. But since we want to explore it from scratch, click the Colossian icon to go to the main dashboard.
I see. What happens next?
Another pop-up will appear, telling you that your account is a free trial account, which gives you 14 days of the trial period. If you want to use all of its features, consider upgrading to its Pro plan. But since we're exploring it for free, click New Draft. Then, you'll see three options: Start from Scratch, Prompt to Video, and Select a Template. Choose the Start from Scratch option.
Perfect. Thanks for walking me through it.
No problem. Once you start using Colossian Creator, you'll see just how easy it is to create professional-grade videos with AI-powered technology. So that's it, folks. That's how you can easily create an AI avatar video using Colossian.com. It's an incredibly powerful tool that simplifies the video creation process, and it has a wide range of applications for businesses and educators.
Absolutely, Jennifer. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of other great content on AI and technology that you might find interesting. And if you're new to the channel or haven't watched any of our AI-related videos, be sure to check them out.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you found this video informative and useful. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We'll see you in the next one.